For this question, we are looking to complete the table given. This is also accompanied then by plotting the graph, in which we have the x and y coordinate. So we know how to do those. The trickiest part is often finding these missing values. So to do that, you just need to substitute what you have for x into your equation for y. As we know, y is equal to 3x squared minus 10. So when x is minus 1, I'm going to get 3 times minus 1 squared minus 10. Minus 1 times minus 1 just gives me 1, because a negative times a negative is a positive. So I now get 3 times 1 minus 10. 3 times 1 is just 3. I've still got to take away that 10. 3 take away 10 is minus 7. If I have x is 0, I get 3 times 0 squared minus 10. 0 squared is 0. 0 times 0 is just 0. 3 times 0 is just 0. If 0 is there, you're just going to get rid of anything that's being multiplied by it. So I now just have 0 take away 10, which is just minus 10. Now, if you know anything about quadratics, quadratic graphs are always a U shape, which means, as you can see with my 5s, they're the same at minus 5 and 5. This is a good guide, but always check first. So I'm going to do x is equal to 1. I'm going to do 3 times 1 squared minus 10. 1 squared is 1. So now I've got 3 times 1 take away 10. That's 3 take away 10. That's minus 7. So it does line up to give us these balanced values. This isn't always true, but is a good rule of thumb as a check for what you are working with. You should always have a lowest point and them rippling out in pairs if the numbers are in the same interval. Be careful. But then we could use these to plot the graph. So you could then do the first coordinate would be minus 5 on our x and 65. You're often given the axes, sometimes given the scale, so be careful if you are asked to plot these.